English speaking conversation number 19. In this lesson, we will practice conversation using alliteration. What is alliteration? Alliteration is a repetition of an initial consonant sound in words that are in close proximity to each other. Examples: we went whale watching. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. She sells seashells by the seashore. We use alliteration in everyday's life, in everyday speech like quick question, pizza party, big business. Now here we will practice all the sounds individually. Number 1. Pretty pink pen. Please pass it. Pen pass please. Number 2. Little lamb likes leaves. Lovely little lamb. Lamb looks lazy. Number 3. 7 silly snakes sing songs. Stop. Such silly stories. Stories sound super. Number 4. Silly Sam spilled sweet soda. Sorry, Sarah. Slippery seed surprised me. Stay steady, Sam. Slow steps save spills. Number 5. Busy birds build big basket. Beautiful. Bright birds bring bliss. Better believe birds are brilliant builders. Number 6. Calm cats cross the cold courtyard. Curious cats catch cozy corners. Clearly, cats choose comfort carefully. Now here is a complete conversation using mixed sound alliteration. Look, bright birds breeze by blue buildings. Yes, and calm clouds cover clear corners. Soft sunshine spreads silent smiles. Look there, our funny friends find fresh fun, and their little laughs lifts lonely hearts. With wise words, warm worried minds. While it is true that gentle gestures grow good bonds, and kindness keeps connections. Positive plans produce progress, and together teamwork turns troubles tiny. That's all. Thank you so much.